Okay folks, we're back again. We're going to do a quick oil change on the Acadia today. As you can see, there's only about 24% oil life remaining. Figured now is a good time to just get it done, and we'll go through it. Alrighty, be back. Okay guys, I got the truck up on ramps. Jack stands underneath for safety. Let's get under the car. We'll break the oil plug loose. Alright, let's get under here. As you can see, underneath. Okay. It's a 15 millimeter, folks. 15. Break it loose. Let that drain for a while. We'll be back. Good idea to change the plug seal. This little rubber piece right here when doing an oil change. There's the replacement. Let's get this old one off. We'll get the new one on. I like to put a little oil on the new one. That's it. Okay, we got the new got the plug back in with the new washer. Now we just got to get the oil filter off. Here's the fun part. If you look way down there, this is it right. Oh, sorry, right here. You'll see it. Best tool I've seen to use this. Just break it loose with the tool and then spin it off with your hand. Okay, let's get that done. Let it drain into the pan underneath. As you can see, just let it drain. New one in. As always, add a little oil to the top of the filter. And what I've noticed on doing this car, because it is going to be kind of a pain to line it up back in there, is just drop it onto the drain shield. Let the drain shield hold the filter in place and then screw it in. Don't force it on because you'll cross thread that and then you'll be in for a world of hurt. So let's get this on and we'll be back. Not necessary taking the engine cover off, but it's simple enough to do. It just pulls right up. So you can see it's so much easier to get the funnel in there. Let's get this thing full of oil and we'll be good to go. 6 quarts according to the owner's manual. It's also a good time to do a little bit of cleaning up under here. Check for broken hoses. Everything seems to be okay. I'll do a video on this one next. It's your purge valve. Okay guys, now it's time to reset the oil life remaining. On here on the ACADIA, we push the info button. Till we get to oil life remaining. Press and hold the little check mark here. And that's all there is to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. And we'll see you next time. Take care.